Hello friends and knife nerds, this is the Geo Knife Ethereal Cutter, but this time we have it in G10. I did show you this same knife except it was in Ultim, and they sent me this in G10, so I wanted to show it to you. We could kind of see what you think. It's the same price, $70, and you're getting M390 steel. I really like that for 70 bucks especially. 60 to 62 HRC. Beautiful clip point, almost trailing point kind of blade here. I like that swedge a lot. A low flat grind here, and then we have some flats as well on the blade. Really nice design. Stonewash finish. Thumb studs are your method of deployment. Crossbar lock for deployment. Well-placed thumb studs. Nice action. The G10, pretty solid, nice and grippy. You can see the texturing right there. We have a little fill-in tab, deep carry, titanium pocket clip that is reversible. Titanium hardware as well, which is a nice touch. There's a lot of titanium, a lot of value really added into this knife. Titanium pivot, excuse me. The collar is anodized. And you can see these are just solid G10 scales aside from the stainless steel inset for the crossbar lock. They really do a nice knife over there for $70. M390. That is some of the least expensive M390 on the market, and that is a heck of a piercer. Nice and sharp too. Very nice blade geometry and really nice overall kind of what's the word I'm looking for, just simplistic but utilitarian is kind of the vibe here. There is nothing loud about this design, but you're getting nice materials at a very nice price. Very nice materials even at a very nice price, except you're dealing with G10, which is one of the less expensive materials. But I mean, mixing in titanium pivot collar and hardware throughout, including the pocket clip, and then an M390 blade for $70, that is a nice value. So let me get you guys some measurements here. We are looking at 3 inches of that M390 blade. That's stonewash finish, and then overall we're looking at 7.1 inches in total length. Let's get you a weight here. 2.74 ounces. That is a nice lightweight carry. Very nice. I like that weight. Keeps it under 3 ounces, really keeps the knife down. And then you have a deep carry clip. It's kind of the thing you're not going to really know is in your pocket, and it's going to be an excellent slicer for your everyday tasks. Let me give you a couple of comparison options here. The Shaman and the Para 3. There we go. There we go. So, very similar sizing to the Para 3. The Shaman wants to just kind of consume it. It's a large knife. Give you an idea of the sizing. So, really nice size. 7 inches. Very comfortable. I wish it had a finger choil, but that's just me personally. That is a sharpening choil, but that's a nice size sharpening choil. You'd be able to sharpen this for days. I know a lot of companies are making these much smaller sharpening choils, so a couple sharpenings and you're out of luck. So a lot of thought went into this design, and they really did a great job making it marketable, making it affordable, and I think that's what's going to make them stick out. Keep up the cool designs, keep the high-end materials coming at an affordable price, and it will all pay off. Well, friends and knife nerds, let me know what you guys think of the Ethereal Cutter, and I will see you in the comments.